Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel. Today is a Hot Flush and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out the Giorgio Armani Luminous something. Where is it? Luminous Silk Foundation. So, if you're interested in seeing how that does, stay tuned. I have samples, but they're pretty good size samples, so I think they'll be fine. And so, let's get started. I'm going to use the lightest color, and if there's not enough in here, I may mix it. But the colors, they only gave me 4 colors, and they are pretty far apart. These are the lightest too, but the number 5.5 says it's for a rosy something, and I'm like, oh, I don't want that. So I'm going to see if the lightest one has enough and is, it seems kind of light. It says, not fair skin. I don't know what it says. I looked it up. Anyways, I will read you what it says on the website, on the Sephora website. It doesn't say very much, and I forgot to count how many colors it comes in. So it comes in 30 shades. It also comes in a mini size, but the mini size only comes in 14 shades. So that's pretty good shade range. Not in the samples, but in this. Okay, so let's see what it says about it. Oh, the mini ones are $48, and the regular size 1 ounce ones are $64. So it's pretty pricey. It says it's a lightweight liquid foundation that delivers buildable coverage and long-lasting hydrating glow with a luminous natural finish. It is medium coverage, natural finish. So that's everything you need to know. And if this doesn't match me, they have plenty of colors if you like it. Let's see if we can pull these apart so that I can see if there's enough in here. It seems like there's going to be enough in here. And I'm just going to squeeze this out onto my palette so that I can see if there's enough. Oh yeah, look at that. And I didn't even get it all out. I have already primed my skin, and I use my Tarte Double Duty Beauty because I loved this before the grip primer came out. But see this big spot here, and I got one over here, I don't even know, and one here, and they're taking forever to go away. And I don't know why I'm getting them, but I thought, well, what if it's that gripping primer? I don't think it is because of this one down here. I don't put primer down here. But anyways, I wasn't getting them when I used the Tarte. So that's what we're going to use. That's what I used. And I have already primed my skin. And I've tried everything on these two to get rid of them. And they are not budging. So I'm just going to put this on. Oh yeah, it's light. But it's also thin, so I think it'll blend out. I forgot to wet my sponge. Hold that thought. All right, I'm just going to take this and spread it out a little. Yeah, it's not got very much coverage. You can tell that, and it's definitely too light. Which, it's the lightest color they have, so I expected it to be too light. Wow. I don't really like the smell either. I think I'm going to get a little bit of the other color and mix it in with my second coat. Okay, so let's open this guy up. And we may be a little rosy. That is the second lightest color. Lots of difference. So I'm just going to get a little on my brush and kind of add it. Yeah, that's a lot better color. I do see the rosiness though. You guys see the difference between here and here? Big difference. I need to shave the peach fuzz off my face. I've been trying not to do anything to my face though to try and get rid of that spot. No cupping, no shaving, no, and nothing but washing, and then I put stuff on it. I just wish I knew what it was. Then I'd know how to get rid of it, right? Or I'd know what not to do at least. Yes, it's very rosy now. It still doesn't have a lot of coverage, I don't think. But maybe it's just because I have so many things that need covering right now. Well, it's not bad. It's not like sinking into lines. I don't think it's very luminous, but that's good. I don't like it super luminous. I think it makes you look old. Makes me look old anyways. That's all I'm going to do for that. I don't know if it's for me, but if you like a medium coverage, medium to light coverage, it may be perfect, but that's a lot to pay, I think, for one that has such light coverage. So let's go on. Let's do some concealer. This is the Boi-ing concealer that we tried last week. I like it. Oof, that was a lot. Wipe all that off and then grab some of that. Put it over here. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the darker color, put it right there and down here. And right here, because I forgot to put it right there. And I'm going to grab my sponge and make it all beautiful. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is our final look for today. As far as this foundation goes, it looks really nice if you don't mind the lack of coverage. And right now, I mind because I have all these red spots that I need covered, and they're not covered. But otherwise it looks beautiful. So if you don't have a bunch of spots on your face, it definitely isn't sinking into lines. It is clinging to this dry patch right here that I didn't even know was dry. So I don't know what's up with that. But that's the only place. Everywhere else it looks beautiful. Except it doesn't have the coverage that I need right now. So I will come back at the end of the day. But I don't think it's going to get more coverage. But I will be able to tell you how it held up during hot flashes at the end of the day. So I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did. If you're interested in this eye look, it'll be up on Wednesday. So I'll be back. Okay everyone, I am back. It is the end of the day. And the foundation has held up magically. It's an amazing, super awesome foundation. It really is. It does not have enough coverage for me. Not right now anyways. It's not sinking into lines. It feels like you're not wearing anything. It actually almost looks like you're not wearing anything. It does not cover spots well at all. But it does smooth the skin. The dryness I had right here is minimal now. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe I got too much powder there. I don't know, because it's not doing it anywhere else. So I'm thinking it was me. But it still doesn't have enough coverage for me right now, especially. So if you like a medium to light coverage foundation, you would love this one. Is it worth $64? Not in my book. It's just too thin. It's just too, doesn't cover enough for me. If I want $64, I want to be flawless when I'm done. So I can get this with $10 with my Catrice. So I am going to give it a thumbs up, but I'm going to give it a meh, because it's a thumbs up for the way it looks, thumbs down for the coverage, and thumbs down for the price. So I guess it's kind of a thumbs down. That's 2 thumbs downs, huh? So I guess it's a no-go. It's definitely a no-go for me. But there's a lot of people that love it, and I can see why. But I just have too many flaws to pay that kind of money. I can get better of what I want out of a foundation from some of the cheaper ones. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!